let's take a look at this trade. So this NQ, that is the new week opening up. So we are having relatively equal highs just below it. So whenever I'm bullish, there must be relatively equal highs below the new week opening up. So here we also see that relatively equal highs there, that is during London session. And so see the 7 a.m. candle open is there. We see 9:30 opens here. We are having that first presented fair value gap and market trades lower. And so here we see we were having some relatively equal lows. As you can see me mark that. So this low and that low, those are relatively equal low. So we see during 9:30 open, market opens and purges that liquidity. As you can see, it gave me all these fair value gaps here. So I use these fair value gaps as breakaway gaps, taking out that sell side, and so the market trades higher. As you can see, I don't need the high to be taken out to confirm a shift in market structure. So once it trades this way, and I took the trade and was taken out, so my target was that relatively equal high. It was at the consequent encroachment of that opening range, that is the new week, that is the Sunday's open and the 9:30 open. So I want to measure that. As you can see, that's what I was doing. So once I measure that and find the midpoint, so most of my partials will be taken at that once price reaches that midpoint, because it's normally about 70% high probability that the market will always trade to the midpoint of that opening range. Okay, so you can see me marking that. I actually did try taking out 2 trades. As you can see, first entry was there. My first entry I was taken out, and then my second entry I was also taken out. As you can see me highlight, so that's where I was taken out, and again took an entry, as you can see, and then I was again taken out. So because I had depleted my daily trade limit, I mean the amount of percentage that I need to risk for the day, made me not to re-enter again. In as much as I did see the price trade above the first presented fair value gap, as you can see, actually there was that urge, that inner voice that was telling me get a third entry, but then because I have my rules and I have to follow my rules, so I didn't have to do that, because the next day will probably produce a good setup again. So as you can see, that's the 5 minutes chart time frame, and price did that. It traded higher without me. So basically my setup is simply new week opening gap. Do we have relatively equal highs below it? That is when I'm bullish, and as you can see, that's exactly what transpired. And so this was my setup, and yeah, I was taken out.